That's what I mean by saying that we are running them out of business. Of course, they must have invested a lot of money into this. We will have to do more follow-up if you want to know what happens to these containers after the press briefing. Traditionally, we hand them over to the relevant agencies that has regulatory oversights over them. The drugs, for example, will be handed over to NDLA. Those drugs, pharmaceuticals without numbers, registration, will be handed over to NAFDAC. And I am surprised that you have never witnessed destruction of this before. It happens, I can assure you. So maybe I would just appeal to those agencies to get media stakeholders involved anytime destruction is being carried out on these elements. They are all from different countries. The containers are all from different countries. They are not